Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to the Human Anatomy channel. In this video I discuss neuroglia in nervous tissue. This is the diagrammatic picture of nervous tissue. This is neuron and this is astrocyte, this is oligodendrocyte, this is microglia and this is ependymal cell. So these all are known as the neuroglia. Now what is neuroglia? The neurons of the nervous system are supported by several varieties of non-excitable cells which together are called neuroglia. They are smaller than the neuron. The number of them 5 to 10 times greater than that of the neuron. In central nervous system, 4 neuroglia is present: astrocyte, which again two type, fibrous astrocyte and protoplasmic astrocyte, oligodendrocyte, microglia, ependyma. In peripheral nervous system, Schwann cell, satellite cell. Neuroglia of the central nervous system. Astrocyte. The astrocytes are star-shaped, have small cell body with branching processes that extend in all directions. The fibrous astrocytes are found mainly in the white matter. Processes are long, slender, smooth, and not much branch. The protoplasmic astrocytes are mainly found in the gray matter. Processes are shorter and thicker and more branched. Many of the process of astrocyte end is expand, and it's covered the outer covering of the blood vessel and from a almost complete covering of the external surface of the capillary, and they take part in the blood-brain barrier. They form the blood-brain barrier. In human, a single astrocyte cell can interact with up to 2 million synapses at a time. Ependyma. Ependymal cell line the cavity of the ventricles in the brain and the central canal of the spinal cord. They form a single layer of the cell that are cuboidal and low columnar in shape and processes microvilli and cilia. Cilia are motile and contribute to the flow of the CSF. Ependymal cell divide into 3 groups: the ependymocytes, which line the ventricles of the brain and central canal of the spinal cord; geniocyte, which line the floor of the third ventricle, overlies the median eminence of the hypothalamus; choroidal epithelial cell, which cover the surfaces of the choroid plexus. Microglia. This is microglia. Microglia is type of neuroglia located throughout the brain and spinal cord. Microglia accounts 10 to 15% of the all cell found within the brain. They are the smallest of the neuroglial cell and are found scattered throughout the central nervous system. They contain small cell body with wavy branching processes that give off numerous spike-like projection. As the resident macrophage cell, they act as the first and main form of active immune defense in the central nervous system. They increase in number in the presence of damaged nervous tissue. Oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes are a type of large glial cell found in the central nervous system. This is oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes have small cell bodies and few delicate process, and cytoplasm contain no filaments. They produce the myelin sheath insulating the neuronal axon, analog to the Schwann cell in the peripheral nervous system. Neuroglia of the peripheral nervous system. Schwann cell. Schwann cell are varieties of glial cells that keep the peripheral nerves alive. In myelinated axon, Schwann cell form the myelin sheath. The sheath is not continuous. So this is the oligodendrocyte. This is the cytoplasmic processes, and cytoplasmic processes of oligodendrocyte cover segment of the nerve fiber, segment of many nerve fiber. But here this is the Schwann cell. Schwann cell is cover segment of single nerve fiber, but one oligodendrocyte is cover segment of several nerve fiber. Satellite cell. Satellite glial cells are glial cells that cover the surface of the neuron cell bodies in ganglion of the peripheral nervous system. Thus, they are found in sensory, sympathetic, and parasympathetic ganglia. Satellite cell also acts protective cushioning cell. So these are the neuron. This is the nucleus of the neuron. This is nucleolus, and this tiny cell is the satellite glial cell. The function of the neuroglia. Astrocytes form blood-brain barrier. Oligodendrocyte myelinations of the nerve fiber in the central nervous system. Ependymal cells secrete, circulate, and absorb CSF. Microglia. Phagocytic function in inflamed brain. They are inactive in normal brain. Schwann cell. Myelination of nerve fiber in the peripheral nervous system. Satellite cell. They supply nutrient to the surrounding neuron and also have some structural function. Satellite cell also act as a protective cushioning cell. Additionally, they express a variety of receptors that allow for a range of interactions with neuroactive chemicals. The development of the neuroglia. 3 neuroglia is developed from neuroectoderm. They are astrocyte, oligodendrocyte, and ependymal cell. Microglia is derived from mesodermal in origin, and Schwann cell and satellite cell is derived from the neural crest. So this is all about neuroglia. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.